So now today class we continue the same algebraic expression exercise 5.1. So last class we discussed about how to multiply the monomial to monomial. So in this class we need to find out how to product the binomial. So 3m minus 5, here you can see 2 term is there. So 2 term present, we say it as a binomial. And 4m plus 3, so 2 term, this is also one of the binomial. So here we can learn about how to product the binomial. So a solution. So normal way, so first you write the question as it is. 3m minus 5, this one can be multiplied with 4m plus 3. So this is the procedure. So you can take any of the number to find out the value. So from 3m to 4m and 3m to 3 and minus 5. So first we need to multiply this one to this one. So 3m to this one. So this one can be written as 3m can be multiplied with both 4m plus 3, and this minus 5 multiple with both 4m plus 3. So first in binomial you need to separate the multiplication. Okay, so this 2 terms can be multiplied with this 2 terms. So this one 3m, this single term is multiplied with this binomial 4m plus 3. The same way minus 5 is multiplied with 4m plus 3. Now normally you need to multiple as usual. So 3m into 4m. Next you concentrate the identities, integers. Plus into plus, it become plus. So next what you have, you need to multiple 3m multiple with the 3. Okay, so first 3m is multiple with the 4m, and next this 3m is multiple with the 3. So now you can see plus is there and minus is there. So minus into plus, it become minus. Now 5 is multiple with 4m. Again you can concentrate here, plus minus, plus into minus, minus. So this 5 can be multiple with 3. Now you can clearly know about how you have to multiply the binomial. Okay, so each term can be multiplied with this 2 terms. So 3m into 4m, 3m into 3, minus 5 into 4m, that is minus into plus become minus. So 5 into 4m, and plus into minus into plus, it become minus. So 5 into 3. So now as usual you need to multiply the number and also the variable. So 3 into 4 you get 12. So here m you get m power 2 plus 3 into 3 you get 9. So only 1 m minus 5 4s are 20. So 20 m, and here 5 3s are 15 minus 15. So in this condition we need to see about the like terms, whether you need to add or subtract. Here 12m square, so there is no m square, so you keep it as this 12m square as it is same. You can see these 2 are like terms. One is minus 20m, another one is plus 9m. You can see these 2 having a different symbol. So different symbol means you need to subtract. If you subtract 20 minus 9, you get 11. And you have the common variable m. And here 20 is the greater value, you put minus. So you take minus 11 m minus 15. So now you can see 3m minus 5 multiple with 4m plus 3, we get 12m square minus 11m minus 15. Okay, next we move on to D sum. So first we can see about A, and next we move on to D. So question number D. So 3 by 4 x minus y square, we need to multiply x plus 2 by 3 y square. So we need to multiply this 2. So first we take this 3 by 4 x. 3 by 4 x can be multiplied with this two terms, x plus 2 by 3 y square, and this minus y square multiple with x plus 2 by 3 y square, and you need to multiply all the terms. First 3 by 4 x to x, this 2, 3 by 4 x into x, and next we need to compare plus into plus plus, and we need to multiply this 3 by 4 x to 2 by 3 y square. So 3 by 4 x can be multiplied with 2 by 3 y square. So first we complete the first set. Next we move on to y square. So now minus is there, plus is there, plus into minus, minus. So y square is multiple with x. First we multiply with x, and we next we move on to the second term. So plus into minus, minus. So y square multiple with 2 by 3 y square. So now we multiply all the terms. So now you can use the normal product method, monomial product, you need to multiply it. So 3 by 4 x into x. So 3 by 4 only one number, we take 3 by 4 as it is, x into x. So x to the power 1, x to the power 1, you get x square. Okay, plus here we need to multiply the numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 3 into 2 divided by 4 into 3. Next we multiply the variables x into y square. So now we need to go here only two variable, different variable, nothing we can do. X into y square, directly we take it as xy square. Without constant, we directly go with the constant, variable. Minus, here you can see only one number, so directly you take it over that 2 by 3 as it is same. Y power 2 and y power 2, by using exponent, laws of exponent in multiplication, y to the power 4. So now you can see this fraction, this 3 and this one will get cancelled, and 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So now you get the fraction is 1 by 2. So finally we get it 3 by 4 x square, first term, plus 1 by 2 x y square. Always x y combination, you need to take over x first and y second. Whether the power is low in x and power is high in y, you need to make over the order x y. So x y square minus x y square minus 2 by 3 y to the power 4. So now here which is the like terms? X, x, y square, y square. You can see variable and also its exponents same, we say it as a like term. So 1 by 2 and 1 xy square is the common. So we need to subtract 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, here you can see this is half, this is 1. So greater value is 1, we need to put minus. So simple logic, you no need to go with any calculation. What is, we need to subtract half from 1. So half plus half is equal to 1. If you subtract half from 1, you get half only. You just think over, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1, 1 divided by 2. Okay. So finally what you get, 3 by 4 x square. So in these two like terms, minus 1 by 2 x y square minus 2 by 3 y to the power 4. So this is the result of the product of this binomial. Okay, next we move on to question number 4. Question number 4 is nothing but we need to multiple monomial to trinomial. It is also very easiest sum to solve. So directly I move on to the solution. How you can make over the product? First you take it minus 5b square into 4 by 5 b square plus 3b minus 1. So in previous sum what you have to do, we need to take over first term to 2 term and then second term to 2 term. Here only one term, so monomial only is there. Directly you go with the product. So first this minus 5b square is multiple with 4 by 5. So minus 5b square into 4 by 5 b square. So first term you no need to go, put any symbol in front of, you directly go with the multiplication. Now we need to put the symbol plus into minus. Now you go the numbers. Here 5b square is there and another term is 3b. Next minus, multiple with minus, you get plus. In integer condition 5b square into 1. So now we need to multiple as usual. So plus into minus, you get minus 5 into 4 by 5. B square into b square, you get b to the power 4. Minus 5 into 3, 15. B power 2 into b power 1, you get b power 3. Plus anything multiple with 1, you get the same. So 5 b square. Here 5 will get cancelled. 4 into b to the power 4, you get minus 4 b power 4 minus 15 b cube plus 5 b square. So monomial can be multiple with this trinomial. You got 5 will get cancelled. So minus 4 b to the power 4 and plus into minus 5 3s are 15. So 15 b cube minus into minus plus 5b square is multiple with 1, you get plus 5b square. So now you got the result. This is the result when we multiple this monomial to trinomial. Next we move on to B question. So first we multiple as usual. So 4 by 9 x square y is multiple with x square minus 3xy plus y square. So we need to multiple separately. So 4 by 9 is 4 by 9 x square y is multiple with x square first. Okay. And next we need to concentrate other term. Plus into minus. Now we need to show. So 4 by 9 x square y is multiple with 3xy. Again plus into plus, it become plus. Same 4 by 9 x square y is multiple with the y square. Multiple with the y square. So now you just multiple this, you get plus 4 by 9 x square into x square, you get x to the power 4 and y is alone, you put y, x power 4 y minus here 4 by 9 is multiple with 3. This x square y is multiple with the xy. So x square can be multiple with x, y is multiple with another one y. Okay. Plus this 4 by 9 into x square into y square. So now we can do as usual multiplication. So first one completed, 4 by 9 x to the power 4y minus, here you can concentrate 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So the number is 4 by 3, we got it. We get x to the power 3. We get x to the power 3 and y to the power 2. And here 4 by 9 we can't do anything, so 4 by 9 we keep it as same. X to the power 2 and y to the power 3. X to the power 2, because y into y to the power 2 you get y to the power 3. So we can't say these two are like terms, because x having exponents 3 2 differ and 2 3 differ. So all the unlike terms, we get the result as 4 by 9 x to the power 4y minus 4 by 3 x to the power 3 y square plus 4 by 9 x square y cube. Next we move on to question number D. Question number 5 is also the same. So in a solution, first we take this minus 5ab multiple with this a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So this is not trinomial, this is polynomial. So we can take over commonly 3ab means we get a trinomial. So we no need to do that. So first minus into plus, 5ab is multiple with a cube, minus into plus minus, so 5ab multiple with the b cube, and again you can see everything is compared with the plus, you get minus only. So 5ab is multiple with 5ab is multiple with the 3a square b, and the next one minus 5ab is multiple with the 3a b square. Okay, so now normally you need to multiple, you need to compare the variable. So minus 5a, we get same variable, so 3 plus 1 4, a to the power 4 b minus maximum, you get a concept now. Okay, so you maximum you reduce the step to multiple. Now there is no number, you take 5 as it is same. Now you check over, there is no a, you take it a also. Here b to the power 1, b to the power 3, it becomes b to the power 4. Okay, minus, now you check 5 into 3, 15. Here a square is there, a to the power 3, b is there, b to the power 2. So now we multiply this minus, so we multiply the numbers 5 into 3, 15. Now we compare the variables, so here a, so a to the power 1, a to the power 1, we get a to the power 2. And b to the power 1, b to the power 2, we get b to the power 3. So now we need to compare everything. So a to the power 4, there is no variable with a to the power 4. B power 1, so there is no variable. So everyone, all the value, it seems to be unlike terms. So we get an result, we multiple minus 5ab by a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 5a power 4b minus 5a b power 4 minus 15 a cube b square minus 15 a square b cube. So simply you can check with this minus 5 a to the power 4 b, and next plus into minus minus, here b cube only, a b to the power 4. Okay, so now we need to go here, 5 3s are 15, that is minus 15, a b that is a cube b square, a cube b square, here a square b cube, a square b cube. So now you can take, otherwise we can simplify this too like this. Maybe here what we need to take, here you take commonly out means you get again this value. Like for example minus 5 ab, you take it out commonly, minus 5ab you take it out commonly, you get a cube minus b cube, you get Okay, you no need to go with that anything. And learn about question number 6. Use the column method to find the following products. So what is meant by column method? It is very easiest one. So column method is nothing but just you write in the addition format. 2 by 7 L minus 1 by 4 M. This is the first row. And second row is the another multiple value, that is 2 by 7 L minus 1 by 4 M. So you can see this one we say it as row and this one we say it as a column. So I can mention this is C1, this is C2, this is R1 and this is R2. This is the column method. We can say through horizontally we say it as a row. We can say vertically we inform about this is column. Okay, so normally we need to go with the same multiplication as it is. First you can multiply this 2 by 7 to this one. So in a rougher column you go with 2 by 7 into 2 by 7 into L into L, because plus same plus only. So 2 by 7 2 by 7 L into L. Okay, so what you get? You get 4 by 7 7s are 49. L into L you get L square. So now you get the first value 4 by 49 L square. Next you need to multiply this column to here. What you get? You get plus into minus. Okay, so 2 by 7 is multiple with 1 by 4 and L is multiple with the M. So 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. You get 1 divided by 14. 1 by 14 is one value, and L into M you get L M. Now you go with this 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 is multiple with this 2 by 7. If you multiple 1 by 4 into 2 by 7, what you get? 2 will get cancelled, and this M can be multiple with L M into L. So same 1 by 14 LM, 1 by 14 LM, but plus into minus. So where is LM? LM is presented here. You can write below this LM, that is column method. Column method we need to fix the like terms to like terms. So minus 1 by 14 LM as it is. And next this 1 by 4 M is multiple with 1 by 4 M, minus into minus plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into M into M. So what you get? 1 by 16 M square. Here is there any M square? No. So we can take 1 by 16 M square separately. Now you can see here there is no term, and above this 1 by 16 there is no term. Just you write the value as it is 1 by 16 M square. Here both the symbol are same. You need to add. If you add, denominator is common, we get 14 as a common denominator. 1 plus 1 2 LM is the variable, and here 4 by 49 L square. So now you can written as it by order, in an order. So 4 by 49 L square plus 1 by 16 M square minus 2 by 14 L M. If you cancelled you get 1 7. Finally we get 4 by 49 L square plus 1 by 16 M square minus 1 by 7 L M. This is the result we get. We multiple this 2 binomial in a column method. Now second question number D in a column method. Solution. I just take this a square plus b square minus 2ab. This one can be multiple with 4a minus 5. Okay, so first I take this 4a to a square. So 4a into 1 we get 4a to the power 3. And next we I multiple with this 4a to b square plus into plus So there is no number. So 4 a into b square, that is a b square, we take it as same. Plus into minus, minus. So here 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8. So a into a, we get a square and then b. Next we multiple with 5. So here I want to know separate a square is there. No, separate a square is not there. So minus into plus we get minus. So I take over this a square separately in a separate term. Okay, next I need to go b square. So there is no b square at all. So what I have to do, I need to take over separately. So all the term it becomes separately. So what I have to do means, so there is no a cube. If we multiple with 5 means we get a square. There is no a square term separately, b square term separately and ab separately. So there is no term is compared with this a cube, ab square and a square b. So we get minus 5 a square minus 5 b square plus 10 ab separately. Okay, so now you just add this everything. What you get? Minus 5 a square minus 5 b square plus 10 ab and minus 8 a square b separate and plus 4 a b square 4 a cube. So this is the value we get it. Answer finally, what is the answer means 4 a cube plus 4 a b square minus 8 a square b minus 5 a square minus 5 b square plus 10 a b. So this is the value. You can check over with all the terms. There is no like term. So we can't add or subtract with any other terms. Okay dear, so now you understand how to multiple by using column method and how you can multiple binomial to binomial. So next class we discuss about the further sums. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching our channel. If video உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.